Team USA's latest Olympic wins, plus San Francisco announces a new vaccine rule for city workers. That and more news coming up. Hey everyone, Team USA continues to dominate the medal board. Here are some of the country's latest wins. You can stay up to date with all the American winners on NBCBayArea.com/Olympics. In other Olympic sports news, USA's rugby team picked up a W at its opening match against China on Wednesday, beating them 28-14. The team is facing Japan next, this Thursday at 2 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We know Simone Biles is out and Jade Carey is in. Here are 5 things to know about the athlete filling in for Simone in the women's gymnastics all-around. In local news, California is now following the CDC's updated recommendation and is asking residents to mask up in public indoor settings, regardless of vaccination status. Big news if you're looking to work for the city of San Francisco. On Wednesday, officials announced all new city employees will be asked to get the COVID shot before starting the job. Lastly, Silicon Valley giant Twitter has closed its SF headquarters and New York location due to the recent surge in COVID cases. The company had just reopened its offices to workers 2 weeks ago. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching. Bye.